Hello students, exercise 18.1 already completed. We are in 18.2. Three formulas already given to you: volume of cylinder pi r square h, CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h, and TSA of cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. Today I will start with question number 3. Find the volume of a cylinder if diameter and altitude h is given. Both are given. First question, diameter is given, height is given, that is altitude. So for a cylinder, d equal to this, radius will be half of the diameter, h is 20 centimeter. Calculate volume of the cylinder pi r square h, 22 by 7 into 21 by 2, 21 by 2 into 20. Cancellation, multiplication, your answer is 6930 centimeter cube. Question number B, same way you will start. For a cylinder, diameter d equals to 7 meter, radius 7 by 2 meter, height 12 meter. Therefore, volume of the cylinder pi r square h, put the values, calculate, answer is 462 meter cube. Question number 4. The circumference of the base of the cylinder is given 132 centimeter, height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Let us select the radius by r. Since circumference is given 132 centimeter, therefore 2 pi r equals to this. 22 by 7 into r equal to this. Number you can send that side. After cancellation, radius is coming 21 centimeter. Height is 25 centimeter, already given in the question. Therefore, volume of the cylinder pi r square h, 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. After cancellation and multiplication, your answer is 34650 centimeter cube. Question number 5 now. A powder is available in 2 packs. One is tin can with a square base of each side 5 centimeter, height 12 centimeter, and another one circular base of radius this and having height 10 centimeter. That means it is a cylindrical can. Which of them has greater capacity and by how much? By how much? For a tin can with square base. Square base, so length and breadth both will be equal. Length, breadth both are 5 centimeter. Height you can mark by h1. That is the first figure, 12 centimeter. Capacity of the tin can, capacity means volume, that is a cuboid, L into B into H1, 5, 5, 12, that is 300 centimeter cube. For a cylindrical tin can, R is equal to 3.5 centimeter, H2 is given 10 centimeter, capacity of the cylindrical tin can, pi R square H2, 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 10 by 7, cancel it, multiply, result is coming 385.00 cancelled, so 385 centimeter cube. Now conclusion part. A cylindrical tin can has greater capacity, and by how much? Now 385 minus 300 you can subtract, 85 centimeter cube. With this I am concluding today. Bye.